Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs, and today we're going to talk about the house flavors. So before at the end of the last video, we left off here with two of our own creations, one made for sub-ohm, one made or configured for MTL, and I just pointed to this carousel of what we call house flavors here at the bottom. So what are house flavors and why do we have them? So house flavors are example recipes. Now normally when you make a recipe and create your own flavor, if you publish that flavor to the store, no one else can see the sliders that you've used. No one else can see the exact recipe that you have made. So it's much more like a normal traditional online store when you publish your own flavors. These are the exception to that rule. We have decided that you should see our recipes. These are, we haven't spent years developing these. They're the same ingredients that you can choose from and the same system. So really these are tried and tested recipes that show you what pairs well, what kind of strengths you might use, and different examples of how you can build recipe profiles. So there are 4 drinks and 4 desserts with 1 tobacco flavor. Any one that you pick here, so let's maybe go with I like the SWKM, little hint of menthol. That's strawberry, watermelon, kiwi and menthol. So I'm going to take a 30 ml of that and maybe a 30 ml of the blueberry cordial. So great way to try and explore new ingredients and branch out. In fact, maybe because I've used a bit of blueberry in my blackcurrant, maybe I'm going to change that one. So we ship for free on orders of £20 or more. So again, the house flavors are a nice way in your first order to get some other examples. So I'm going to take a mango lemonade because I want to see some new flavors. I'm going to get to try the mango and the lemonade and some other bits in there. So that takes us to the free delivery. It's a good way of doing that, and that is a kind of good first order. Maybe in reality you might make 2 different recipes for the create your owns rather than buy the same one for 2 devices. Just an example. House flavors, the last thing to say is if you want more information about the house flavors, so more than just the sliders, then you can go to our help page and find out about the flavors here. So there's a little bit of an explanation there, and we can, let's take that mango lemonade as an example. As well as the sliders, you'll see a little bit of a description of how we've built the flavor up, why the different elements like the strawberry jam and the dragon fruit have been chosen to elevate that particular recipe. So dig in there, you can have a look at all the examples and find out more about it. That is an introduction to house flavors, and we will see you in the next video.